When we talk of an asphalt plant product, we immediately have to think about our customer and how we can best support him for the whole life cycle of the plant.
The service and project management's team is composed of skilled technicians who offer their support to the customers. Our customers can have 24/7 service support by remote support, or if necessary, they can ask a technical intervention directly on site. It is possible to obtain direct assistance by 3 skilled engineers 24/7, available for mechanical, electrical or software support. If the plant is equipped with the module of remote assistance, it is possible for Marini engineers to connect directly to the plant computer and operate on it as if they were sitting on the operator's chair. Therefore, through these tools, we are sure that the Marini's customer can relax, knowing that the Marini technicians are available at all times. So far, we have talked about the service provided via remote assistance, but a big part of our job is made on site. As for instance, assistance with installation, as well as scheduled maintenance, predictive inspections, consultations. Marini has tailor-made them for its customers. In our spare parts warehouse, we have 10,000 components always in stock. Electronic parts catalogue delivered daily. A professional team dedicated to finding the right part and processing the orders as quickly as possible. So, we have fully equipped all the vans in order to make them self-sufficient for technical works on the building site.
La Marini ci ha sempre garantito e assistito.
Marini has always been ready to intervene and help us out in order to waste as little time as possible. And this is one of the reasons why we chose to invest in this innovative plant, for which we are #1 in the world. The reasons for choosing Marini are threefold: high reliability of the plant, 24-hour customer service, prompt intervention, spare parts always available. Marini has always been reliable, both for their 24-hour customer service and for their skilled technicians. We are really satisfied of Marini's after-sales assistance, so much so that we decided to purchase the new plant that you can see behind me.
Marini technicians are well prepared, have acquired many years of experience on site, and can guarantee quick and reliable customer assistance, reflecting the excellent reputation that Marini plants enjoy on the worldwide market.